Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Ananya Bhatia with your hedge fund headlines. Today's Friday, May 29, 2009. Hedge fund manager Arthur Samberg is shutting his Pequot Capital Management. According to the Financial Times, the move follows a probe by the U.S. authorities into allegations of insider trading by the hedge fund firm. Samberg is planning to close down the firm's core funds and return cash to investors while spinning out two other funds. The investigations regarding his trading for the core funds in 2001 had closed in 2006 without bringing charges, but the government reopened the probe late last year. Hong Kong financial services firm Quam and China's Suzhou high-tech venture capital group are planning to set up a $117 million venture capital fund. According to Alt Assets, the fund will be run by a new company, Suzhou Gawa Venture Investment Management, formed by the two firms. The new fund will target high-growth technology companies in sectors including energy, services, environmental protection, and agriculture. The fund is planning to raise $14.6 million in initial funding. And in more hedge fund news, UK private equity firm Permira has sold its 14% stake in soft drink maker Britvic for about £81 million. According to the Financial Times, UBS arranged the placement of Permira's 30.2 million Britvic shares. Permira had bought a minority stake in Britvic through its Snowdown acquisitions vehicle in December of 2006. PepsiCo holds a 5% stake in Britvic. And private equity firm Fortress Investment, along with other investors, is planning to pump in $800 million into Florida bank First Southern. According to the Financial Times, other private equity firms joining Fortress include Crestview Partners and Lightyear Capital. The deal would mark Fortress's debut in retail banking and First Southern. Its clean balance sheet will keep the firm's future banking acquisitions. Fortress is planning to appoint Gene Taylor, a former vice chairman of Bank of America, as CEO. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge funds channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.